I'm just going through some of the stuff I've got on the computer, and I found a video I did on the Audi at Christmas, I think it was, so I'll have a look at that while I get myself sorted out, and I'll see if I can start getting some decent videos to you guys soon. Excuse the fat bloke in the video, I've lost a bit of weight since then. Hopefully it's some use to somebody, and I'll catch you later in something a bit more exciting. So here's past me. How's it going, YouTube? I've got a bit of a problem with the Audi, the fans aren't working inside. Normally I'm doing videos on this, my MR2. It's wide body Mark III, turboed, and also this camper. So if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe and we'll see some more of that on that MR2. But today we've got the Audi. What's happening is this interior fan's not working, it's not blowing, so we've got to take out the glove box and have a look. I have checked the fuses, but if anybody's interested where they are, they're just behind here. That pulls off. And if you can see behind there, there's a 40 amp fuse at the end. That's for the fan. That's okay. I've left all my tools at work, so I've got my trusty toolkit, this tiny little socket set, because all we need is an 8mm socket. First job, empty everything out of here. Right, there we are, empty. Right, if you look near where the light is, right at the back, you'll see a little M8 bolt there. Take that out. This has got to be the tiniest socket ever. Look at that. Next up, if you have a feel underneath, there's one there and one just there. M8 the same. Take both of those out. Right, next one, behind this panel here. Pull it off, it's just clipped in. Just down there, look, there's another M8 bolt. Right, if you look underneath, there's two M8 bolts underneath. One there, one there. Take both of those out as well. Once you get the last one out, you'll see the bottom drop a little bit. Once it's like this, then we can start to ease it out nicely. Just give it a little tug and it'll come away. No, it won't, because there's a third one there. I forgot. There's three in the top then. One there, one at the end. Make sure you get all three of those. When I do this one, be careful because it'll start to drop. There we are. And it's out. Right, there we can see the heater fan. Right, under the heater fan, there's a little tab. If you just lift it to one side, then you can twist the whole thing and it'll pop out. Mine, somebody's had this out at some point before because it's already broken off, it's not there. So if I just grab this and give it a twist, everything comes out. There's the fan. You can unplug it from the system there. This bit on the back is a resistor block for the speed controller. This obviously is the main fan. This actually feels really stiff, so I'll give it a turn. Oh, it's freeing up now. Yeah, now it's freeing up. It was really stiff. I might be really lucky. Let's try it. It looks like I'm really lucky. It was just stiff. Put it up to full speed. And now it's working. Well, that saves me a load of money and a load of hassle. This was just stiff because I'd not used the car for about a week, and for some reason it had gone stiff and it's freed off and now it's working again. Normally what you'd do is you'd either change the speed controller or change the fan. If you want to test it, what you can do is unplug the fan from there, put 12 volts, and if it spins, then it's not the fan and it's the speed controller. So we'll put that back in. Okay, so that's back in. That's a bit of a pain. I had to do that with two hands. You have to get it back in line, push it up, and then twist it to lock it back in. Right, now all we've got to do is put this back in. So once you've got it lined up like that, I suggest putting this side bolt in just to hold it all in place while you get the rest of the bolts in. So I need 2 hands to do this, so I'll put the camera down and get a bolt in there. Right, there we are, all back together. Let me just try it again. Everything seems to be working. In all honesty, I thought this would just be the first part of a video with me taking it out and then trying to figure out whether it's the fan or the speed controller and having a look on eBay and ordering what I needed, but I've been super lucky. It was just a bit seized up because I've not used it for a while. So this proves that it's always worth taking it to pieces and having a quick look before you buy anything. Because I did found one, it was 60 quid on eBay, so I've saved myself a few quid there. So that was super lucky. That's all sorted. Really easy little job that, actually. Don't forget, if you want to see some on this, or some videos on this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.